Vacation to Canada. Vacation to Canada.
What's today's date? What's today's date?
It's July 5th. It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation? When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We are going to Canada. I'm leaving on Sunday. We are going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon. Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there? How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks. About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back? When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th. I'm coming back on the 17th.
All right. Have a nice trip. All right. Have a nice trip.